In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page Canva website. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to choose a multi-page design and tailor it to your content. First, once you're on Canva, look toward the top of the screen and click on Templates. This is your starting point for finding professionally designed layouts that already have the structure of a website. Using templates saves time and ensures your pages feel consistent from the start, which is especially helpful when you're building more than one page. Next, in the templates search bar, type the word website. This tells Canva to show only website-ready designs rather than presentations, social posts, or documents. You'll see a wide range of styles appear, from clean and minimal to bold and colorful. Keep your brand or project vibe in mind as you scan through the results so you can choose something that already aligns with your look and message. Now, browse through the template gallery. As you move your mouse over each thumbnail, hover to see how many pages that template includes. This is key for a multi-page site. Look for templates that already have multiple sections, like a home page, about page, services, or contact. Choosing a design with several coordinated pages means the typography, spacing, and visual rhythm match across your site, which makes everything feel polished and intentional. If you're torn between a few options, prioritize readability, clear headings, and layouts with enough white space to make your content easy to scan. When you've found a template that fits, click on Customize this template. Canva will open the editor with all the pages from that template loaded and ready to go. You'll typically see page thumbnails along the side, giving you a quick overview of the site's structure. This is helpful for understanding how your visitors will move from one page to the next and for keeping your design consistent as you work. From here, you can edit the template. Replace placeholder text with your own headlines, descriptions, and calls to action. Update fonts and colors so they match your brand, and swap images or graphics to reflect your content. Keep spacing and alignment consistent as you go. Duplicate styles for headings and buttons so each page feels connected. Review each page in the order a visitor would see them, refining wording and visuals to keep the story clear and engaging. With these edits, the template becomes your unique, multi-page Canva website, ready to share your message with a cohesive, professional look.